Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make very easy one-bowl breakfast. If you have been to Japan and stayed at ryokan or traditional Japanese inn, I'm sure you are surprised and overwhelmed with the breakfast. It's a little bit of many dishes, but that's not how we eat every day. So today, I'm going to show you everyday breakfast that I will cook for myself or for my family. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a breakfast menu with the dish. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. 1 portion rice pack, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon each of butter and soy sauce, some sausages and edamame or green peas as much as you like, and a little bit of garlic paste. Heat up about a teaspoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. And let's cook the egg, edamame and sausages all at once. In the meantime, let's heat up 1 portion rice pack, 1 minute at 800 watts. Make sure the rice is steaming hot, otherwise it won't regain the stickiness and softness. Let's serve in the bowl here. Fluff it. And back to the frying pan. The egg is cooked to my favorite consistency, so let's serve them on top of rice. Okay, let's make some sauce using the same frying pan. Butter, soy sauce, and a little bit of garlic paste. Cue the heat and the sauce is ready. It's smelling so good. Let's pour the sauce on top. And very easy, Japanese one-bowl breakfast is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The garlic butter soy sauce is simply amazing. I have no problem having this every single morning. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. It's a breakfast, And you don't want to cook a lot of dishes in the morning, so let's keep the whole meal nice and simple. The rice bowl goes here and it also covers the main. I need some soup, so let's have instant miso soup here. Some pickles to add little more vegetable, and let's pass the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!